Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps.
So guys, I have placed the link in the description below. Touch the link and it will redirect you to Play Store. Install the app, and when you open the application you will land on this page. Choose your preferred language and a currency in which you will be paid out. Here I choose English and USD. When you finish, touch continue. To log in there are two choices, Facebook and Google. Choose Google and your Gmail accounts on that phone will pop up. Touch one of your email and then fill your name, email and password. The password must contain at least one special symbol, at least one digit and at least 8 symbols. You have to verify your account. They will send you a verification to your email, so it should be active email. When you touch send code, won 3 Givi coins for spending 3 minutes in the app. The app will send a verification to your email, so please insert the received 6-digit code on your email. Go to your email and you will find it. Copy that code and paste it here and verify. The first thing that can invite your friends. You will both win 200 coins when your friend confirm his phone number, and you will win 400 coins when he gather 500 coins. You will earn coins which are equal to the amount of 0.06 USD. Once your friend completes the rule, you will earn. So guys, you can share your link to social media, your family, sister, friends. There is a box. Tap to get 3 up to 9 coins. It will be opened once in 4 hours. You will win Givi coins for every chest you open. Givi coins can vary due to different chest types. There is an ad, so skip the ad, and there is a memory game. Start the memory game and figure out the cards and win Givi coins. The two sum items, as you can see, I am getting some types of item. When you finish, before the countdown time reaches 0, you will earn coins. As you can see, I have lost. For every movement you take on this application, there is an ad going on, so you should have to wait the ad to be ended. There is a second countdown for the advertisement to end. When it reaches 0, minimization symbol will come. So if you want to, you can try again. As you can see, I am trying my best to win this game without reaching the maximum errors. So as you can see, I have won, so I have gained some coins. But to double the coins earned by, I have to watch a video. But if I want not to double my coins, I will cancel it. So as you can see, I have watched the video and my earning is now doubled. The next thing is task, and when you touch start, fulfill the requirement and win a huge amount of coins. As you can see, there are many more tasks that will pay us more coins. This application will pay us 9,075 coins, 190 coins, 140 coins, 290 coins and more. You can do these tasks and earn more coins. And there is a tic-tac-toe game. You will play against other users to win Givi coins. Touch start and the application will search for opponents. When you get an opponent, as you can see, you will play for coins. So guys, as you can see, I have lost. You can try again to win. We both have now equal points, so the application will draw us. There is a life for every game you play. Skip the advert. And at last, there is a calculation game. Complete the Givi game to gain Givi coins. Start. You should have to calculate some easy numbers. 27 plus 0, 98 minus 67, 31. So answer the calculation correctly. The game has different calculation: addition, multiplication, division. When the countdown reaches 0, as you can see, the app congrats me. For every game I finish, there is an ad going on. When the ad ends, the coins will store in my balance. You can win rewards every day by collecting your calendar game and win more Givi coins for staying in the application for 5 consecutive days. Touch the days you come into this application, and there is also a life for playing the games. When your time is up, you will be rewarded with 1 life for each game. When you touch this symbol, you can convert your coins to USD. At the time of recording this video, you can convert 118 coins to $0.01. This application has announced that now you can withdraw your earnings in Bitcoin directly into your Coinbase or Binance wallet with a minimum cash out of 0.1 USD. You only have to provide your Coinbase wallet email. It is as simple as this. So guys, you can add your coins by touching plus sign and convert them. After converting, touch the withdraw button, and there is a leaderboard. There is a weekly leaderboard and a daily leaderboard. When you win daily leaderboard, you will be rewarded for some points, and again when you lead the weekly leaderboard, you will be rewarded for some points. As you can see, for Coinbase the minimum threshold is 0.19 USD. For PayPal the minimum withdrawal threshold is 1 USD. As well, the minimum threshold for Binance is 0.99 USD. For Coinbase the withdrawal is instant, and for PayPal it takes up to 3 business days, and for Binance it also takes 3 business days. So simply place your Coinbase email address and type the amount you want to withdraw, and again there is an Amazon option to withdraw your earning. The minimum threshold is 0.19, almost $0.2. This cash out method also takes 3 business days. This is the best way to earn passive online income.
So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.